Flax seeds indeed boast a rich history of consumption for their remarkable health benefits, extending back thousands of years. Their nutritional profile is nothing short of impressive, making them a worthy addition to any diet. Let's start with their fiber content. Flax seeds are loaded with both soluble and insoluble fiber, promoting healthy digestion by aiding regular bowel movements and supporting gut health. This fiber content also helps in controlling blood sugar levels, making flax seeds particularly beneficial for individuals managing diabetes or those looking to stabilize their energy levels throughout the day. Omega-3 fatty acids are another standout component of flax seeds. These essential fats are renowned for their role in cardiovascular health, helping to reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and improve overall heart function. Incorporating flax seeds into your diet can contribute to a healthier lipid profile, potentially reducing the risk of heart disease. Moreover, the lignans found abundantly in flax seeds possess potent antioxidant properties, which may help combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. This makes flax seeds a valuable ally in promoting overall well-being and reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as cancer and neurodegenerative conditions. For those aiming to manage their weight, flax seeds offer additional support. The combination of fiber and healthy fats helps promote satiety, keeping hunger at bay and potentially reducing overall calorie intake. Additionally, the omega-3 fatty acids in flax seeds may enhance metabolic function, aiding in the efficient burning of calories and fats. Incorporating flax seeds into your daily routine can be easy and versatile. They can be sprinkled over salads, yogurt, or oatmeal, blended into smoothies, or used as an egg substitute in vegan baking recipes. However, it's essential to consume them ground to unlock their full nutritional potential, as whole flax seeds may pass through the digestive system undigested. Flax seeds are indeed a nutritional powerhouse, offering a wide array of health benefits that span from digestive and heart health to weight management and beyond. By incorporating them into your diet, you can harness their remarkable properties to support your journey towards optimal health and vitality. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into nutrition and wellness.